Sa ibang balita naman, panukalang budget ng Presidential Communications Operations Office o PCOO, pasado na sa komite ng Senado. Sa pagdinig ng Senado, inihayag ni PCOO Secretary Herminio Coloma ang proseso sa pagsasapribado ng Government TV Network na IBC 13. Narito ang ulat ni Sam Ramirez.
Pasado na sa Senate Subcommittee on Finance ang panukalang 1.022 billion peso budget para sa Presidential Communication and Operations Office o PCOO at mga attached agencies, kabilang ang People's Television Network. Iprinisenta ni Communications Secretary Herminio Sonny Coloma ang budget para sa PCOO na bumaba ng 13.47% o 159.02 million pesos kumpara noong nakaraang taon. Natalakay sa pagdinig ng nasabing komite ang planong pagsasapribado ng IBC 13, isang government TV network gaya ng PTV4. Ito'y alinsunod sa direktiba ng Pangulo na dapat iisa lang ang magiging government TV network.
We have already started the process of privatization. IBC, as I have been informed, has already engaged the services of a privatization process manager, which is the Development Bank of the Philippines. And this is as proposed by the GCG. So the process of privatizing IBC is already ongoing. Ang patakaran po ng Pangulo ay isa lamang ang dapat na manatiling government television network. Kaya ang ating pong time frame ay dapat ma-accomplish po ito sa loob ng termino ng ating Pangulo.
Ngayong taon, may inilaang 892 million pesos ang PCOO para sa capital expenditure at 100 million pesos naman para sa maintenance and other operating expenses ng PTV. Ang malilikom mula sa pagsasapribado ng IBC ay ilalaan para sa capitalization o pagpapalakas ng PTV bilang government network na ang pangunahing mandato ay makapagbigay ng napapanahon at tamang impormasyon at balita.
Conceptually, Your Honor, the proper utilization will have to be for capital expenditures because these are the durable equipment that will have long-term use and will be able to generate revenues for the station, for the network. What we would like to be able to do is once we are able to establish the right organization for People's Television, that we can be competitive in our own sphere, that we are able to generate sufficient revenues to finance the miscellaneous and other operating expenditures of the network, which we have started to do. We are shifting the emphasis of programming to news and public affairs. We have a concept which will make it a weather and news channel. Naumpisa na po yan sa pamagitan ng Panahon TV, and we intend to just focus on news and public affairs in keeping with the mandate of the law that has been enacted.
5 billion pesos ang kinakailangan para sa sinasabing capitalization. 2 billion pesos rito ay magmumula sa pagsasapribado ng IBC at RPN, habang ang natitirang 3 bilyong piso ay manggagaling sa pamahalaan. Samantala, ipinanukala ni Senator Cheese Escudero na dagdagan ang pondo ng IBC 13 ng 19.5 million pesos upang mabayaran ng pamunuan ang mga unpaid contributions ng kanilang mga empleyado sa PhilHealth, SSS at Pag-ibig. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Sam Ramirez.